Hey, I see you typing away on your keyboard asking ChatGPT how you're going to get your next viral video. I need you to stop typing right now. Step away from the keyboard. This message is going to be for you. Most content creators, especially small content creators, we are using ChatGPT all wrong. Your prompts, they don't need to just sound smart. They actually need to produce, and they actually need to make you some money. And if you're tired of wasting time using AI tools that don't produce income and don't create a strategy for you, then this video is going to be for you. I'm about to show you how to flip ChatGPT on its head and use it as part of your personal profit system. This is not going to be one of those videos that's promising you the world, talking about use this prompt, it's going to make you go viral and it's going to bring you in $10,000 by tomorrow. Because here's what they don't tell you. Prompts only work when the person that's using the prompts truly understands how content, marketing, sales, and monetization actually work, because otherwise you're just playing around in the keyboard typing and wasting your time. So today I'm breaking down 3 simple ways how you can use ChatGPT to turn your content engine into a prompt that brings you profit. And if this sounds interesting to you and you love using AI, then I want you to stay till after this quick message from today's sponsor, Nexus Clips. If you're not using Nexus Clips, you are working harder than you really need to. All the biggest content creators like Mr. Beast and like Ali Abdaal upload clips daily. Nexus Clips is the AI tool that let content creators like me repurpose their content from long form videos into shorts. All you have to do is just integrate YouTube into Nexus Clips, and Nexus Clips will give you 5 viral potential clips that you can upload, whether it be vertically or whether it be horizontally. It gives you quick zooms. It has that awesome facial recognition tool, and it takes care of all your subtitling right on the software. There's no editing your shorts if you don't want to, especially if you don't have time to. Every time I upload a long form video, Nexus Clips gives me at least 5 of the best moments from my video using their AI tool. Not only that, it gives me a virality score in order to let me know if that short has viral potential. Big YouTubers were trying to keep software like this a secret, but now we all have access to it. And if you want access to this amazing software, I'll be leaving you a 10% discount code down in the description. Now back to the video. One simple way how you can use ChatGPT more efficiently is this. Don't use it just as prompts. Use it to make systems. Here's the truth as a small content creator. Most of us, we're using ChatGPT to write our scripts, and some of us are not even tweaking those scripts. We're just using those scripts and repeating what ChatGPT spits out. And that's not a good way to use Chatty Cathy. And the funny thing is, when we use ChatGPT like this, we end up wondering why our video is flopping. And I'll tell you why. There's no soul nor real human connection behind what you're saying on the screen or the words that you have on your script. That's the wrong approach, and that's a recipe for disaster for you and for your channel. Here's the right way to use ChatGPT to help you with your content creation system. Use ChatGPT to create a framework or a narrative, but then infuse that narrative with your true stories from your background, stories from your own experience, and stories that share your heart with your viewers. That's a good way to infuse heart and soul into your content. The second simple way of how you're going to use ChatGPT more efficiently and more simply, treat it like it's a team member. Talk to it like it's your intern, and you're trying to train your intern to understand who you are, what moves you, what's your ethos, what's your mantra, and what's the vision for your content or your business or your brand. ChatGPT is only good as the information that you input into it. Don't be afraid. Let it into your personality. When I began to use ChatGPT, I didn't know how to use it. But once I understood this point that it's only as good as the information that you put in, I had to wipe the memory of my Chatty Cathy. I had to retrain her as to who I was as a person, as to the audience that I was called to serve, the products that I wanted to deliver, and the time and the space that I had to do content creation. You had to understand that I had a whole 9-to-5 job, and I was doing content creation and building my business as a side hustle. Once I was able to train her as a proper intern, then she knew how to bring me my coffee. She understood how I flow. She understood my brand voice. She understood how I write. She understood the intricate things of my personality. That way she was able to deliver me the products that I needed in my voice and in an efficient manner that I expected. And here's the deal. Stop treating AI like it's actually smarter than you. It's not smarter than you in that sense, because it doesn't even know you in the beginning. It may know a lot of information about a lot of things, but what it doesn't know is you. So if you're sitting there, sitting on your skills, your knowledge, and your experiences, and you haven't fed your Chatty Cathy or whatever AI you use as your choice, it's like talking to a wall. And you know what happens when you talk to a wall, especially when you're walking? You end up bumping your head and going nowhere. And here's a little inspiration. You are already sitting on profit. You just may not know it. And you may not have shared that with your AI. Simple strategy number 3, use AI to build products around your problems. Now, this is where the money is. This is your money maker. Don't just be sitting there using AI to create content, to make videos and cut up shorts and things like that for you. Use your AI to change your prompts into potential profit. And here's how you're going to do it. You're going to ask your Chatty Cathy or your cool Claude some questions like this. My potential clients, what are the questions that they're asking? What are their pain points? How can I serve them? And then when it begins to spit you out information, because it is efficient in that way, you can take that same information and not only create a prompt pack, you can create a digital workbook, a tutorial, or even some kind of guide, whether it's a one-page guide, a Google Doc, or a PDF. You can create digital products from the information and the questions that you ask your AI. This is exactly what I did on this video with my 100 ChatGPT prompts for creators. I use this prompt pack in order to create content, to make scripts, to make email campaigns, to make money without burning out. And yes, it works even when you're just getting started and you don't know exactly what to do. Now, I know we've talked a lot about AI and there's more to come, but I want to take a station break. I want to shine a spotlight on 3 amazing content creators right from our community. You guys know I like to shine the spotlight on the revealers that are right here in the community. And these 3 revealers are coming from the cooking niche. Here are 3 cooking channels that I want to shine the spotlight on them so that you guys can check them out whenever you're in the kitchen, whenever you're wanting to craft a fabulous meal. I want you to go watch these 3 cooking channels because number 1, they have some great recipes. Number 2, they're offering cooking classes and live demonstrations where you can cook with them. And not only that, they have great recipe cards available on their websites and available on their stores because they're cooking up not just content, but they're cooking up actual food. Another content creator I want to shine the spotlight on is C the Actress. You guys know that C has the booked and paid community that is offering affiliate programs and giving you the opportunity to earn while you learn. Her community has a plethora of information on how to book gigs, how to create content, how to start your digital marketing career, and literally everything in between. Whether it's doing your taxes or succeeding on Instagram, See the Actress can help you out. I'm going to be leaving a link to Booked and Paid Community. If you have more questions, I want you to contact See the Actress so that she can make sure that you're locked into the community. Because guess what? I'm already locked in to learn some things and earn while I grow. You don't need to be viral in order to be profitable. What you need is a system to create content with intention. You need a product that people actually want, and you need an AI tool like ChatGPT in order to make your workflow efficient. Because if you're still trying to grow your channel and your business the old analog way, hoping and waiting for somebody to shout you out like I just did, and just taking whatever AI spits out, you're not building your personal brand on a firm foundation. Don't forget to check out that 100 prompt pack that I have below. And don't forget, watch this video next that YouTube says you should watch, and watch this playlist next if you want to continue to grow your YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.